Check out the front of the house with the snow drifts. Unbelievable. And then here's the path that Danny tried to carve out with his pickup truck. Look how deep the snow is here. You can see the wind blowing. It's still blowing the drifts around. It's very light though, it's light and fluffy. Unbelievable how high it is. It's got to be 3.5, 4 foot high in some areas. It's just incredible how high. Now look at the drifts on top of my Jeep. Up against the house near the back door. It's incredible how high this snow is. And of course the tractor over there is stuck because the drifts are just way too high. So now we got to start trying to dig ourselves out of it with shovels. Even with the equipment, when it gets stuck, time to pull out a shovel.